Been pretty busy this week, trying to get my compost pile turned over. Being down here in Texas, you have to kind of live up to the name, so I had to rent me a little piece of equipment because I've got a lot of compost. Yeah, that's quite a bit. Normally it's one of those things to where you try to make good use of the things that you have. Now, granted, this compost has still got a ways to go, but a lot of it's usable. I'll just scoop it out and then take the big ones and throw them back in. But I'm not going to have any shortage of it. Of course, I'm going to need a lot of it here because of my next project. Of course, we have the garden right there, but we've decided to finally get to expanding it, so virtually I'll be doubling the size of the space, which will give me a lot more room for crop rotation, and I really miss wanting to grow a lot of watermelons, so that'll give me more space for that too. But I won't be limited when it comes time to planting.